Hi friends, in this video I will be unboxing and checking gold medal 4 outlet socket adapter with master switch and indicator. It has heavy duty power cord, international socket and supply indicator. Quality of the plastic also very good. It supports all type of plugs. Let me open the cover. See, quality of this power cord is very good. Quality of this plastic also very good. It's very strong. And here we can see the master switch. Let me connect this adapter to supply. See, using this master switch we can switch on or off. So it supports all type of plugs. So let me connect plugs. So now I connected 3-pin plug, 2-pin. Then we can also connect charger, mobile charger. See, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.